The historic San Jose Del Cabo was an important stop for the Spanish galleons in the early 1600s due to their abundance of fresh water. This drew attention of pirates who would lay in wait as the Spaniards were destined to stop and refill their barrels in the estuary right off the shore. Today it's become part of the Los Cabos tourist zone. For many looking for the same great weather and slower pace than the vibrant Cabos San Lucas, this is an excellent choice. With a wide range of hotels, resorts, restaurants, and real estate options, including golf course communities, a new marina, and oceanfront condos and homes, there's a great diversity in prices. Club Campestre is another Nicholas-designed master plan community with excellent price value. La Jolla enjoys ocean view homes and condos. On the beach, there are many gated condominium properties to choose from. The range of prices go for as little as $275,000 to over $3 million. The best bargains are found inland and close to the quaint town of San Jose Del Cabo. Puerto Los Cabos is a massive 2,000-acre master plan marina and golf community with over 2 miles of beachfront. They offer the impressive Ritz Carlton Reserve for a resort inside of a resort feel. There are also golf villas just under $1 million. Contact us today at Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. Who knows, you just might become a Cabo local.